Hello everyone! Welcome friends to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how to fix the error if Telegram does not show you contacts. Please, friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put likes under the video and also write, friends, your comments after viewing. And let's get started on this topic. So, first of all, you will need to swipe your Android screen from top to bottom, on the right side. Next, tap on the gear to go to Settings. And in Settings, swipe down, find the option called Management Apps or just Apps. When you get to the list of all the apps on your device, use search box, enter the word Telegram. Open Telegram. Next, you will need to select the permission here. Now select the Contacts option. And if you have the second option enabled here, then you need to turn it on the first option, which will allow your contacts to always give you access to Telegram. And then exit the settings. Open the Telegram app. Then on the top left, click on the three bars. After that, scroll through the settings a little bit and select the Privacy and Security option. Now you will need to scroll down to the bottom here and find this option, Synchronize Contacts. If you have it disabled, you will need to activate it. With this option, all the contacts that you have on your phone will be synchronized with Telegram and searchable. This is how, friends, you will be able to fix the error if Telegram is not showing your contacts. I really hope, friends, that you found this video useful and helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put your likes and comments. Goodbye.